Good morning, sir. Can you tell us what is your name and what do you do?
I'm Jael Wenceslao. Basically, I help our family business. I'm what you call the AVP, any vacant position.
And how did you get to running and trail running?
Um, well, I started running in 2007. Uh, Siyempre, sa road na ako nagsimula. Hindi ko pa alam yung mga trail runs sa bundok. Um, and then went into ultra runs. Eventually, I became friends with Dave Uban and he introduced me to the trails in Timberland sa may shotgun tsaka sa wall.
Mga anong year kaya yan, sir?
Mga 2009 siguro yun or 2010. And from there, by chance, while tumatakbo ako sa may Kasile tsaka Pintong Bukawi, na-encounter ko si Master Gene Alves. And I guess the rest is history. Started training with him. Yun, pinakita niya sa akin yung iba-ibang lugar ng Rizal. And Montalban, San Mateo, at kung saan-saan pa.
Any favorite trails or race dito sa Pilipinas?
Of course, memorable is H1 because of the place. Iba talaga sa Benguet at sa Cordillera versus here sa Sierra Madre. And of course, being 100 miles, iba talaga yung experience mo doon. Unforgettable talaga siya.
What keeps you on the trails? What motivates you?
Well, ako kasi gusto ko ng variety. So, I do road, I do track. So, I do the mobile, speed. But I also need to do the trails for, I guess, for variety also, and because I don't know, it just feels good for the soul.
What are your future plans?
Now, no major plans for now. I guess just enjoying the trails and hopefully giving back to the running community.
What advice can you give the newbies sa mga gustong mag-try ng trail run? Anong masasabi?
One thing I would say is take it very easy. Siyempre, I'm sure lahat ng galing sa road, may experience sa road run. Hindi porket magaling ka sa road, kayang-kaya mo na yung trails. You need to take it easy and also seek advice from the veterans always. Very open naman ang trail community, so they're willing to help and take you under their wing and join trail running long runs para rin masaya, para mag-guide ka rin. So that's what I would suggest.
Okay, thank you, Sir Jael, and see you soon.